Hello friends, welcome to Fields Droid. In today's video, I'm going to review the MCAT Excite Neo keyboard. This is a multimedia keyboard with the soft touch keys. Let's see some of the cool features of this keyboard. As you can see here, like it has got a spill resistant design, and it has got a stylish and modern design, as they say. And also here you can see multimedia keys, and also as you can see, this keyboard comes with the rupee symbol. Okay, and here the price what they have mentioned on the package is 549 rupees. However, I got it for around 370 rupees in Amazon. And one of the cool important features of this keyboard is like it is a spill resistance, so even if you spill water by accidentally as well, so nothing is gonna harm. As you can see, some of the shortcut keys functions they have mentioned here. Okay, so now let me just unbox this and show it for you. Before I unbox, if you're new to my channel, I kindly request you, please subscribe. Okay, so come, let's unbox this. Friends, now we have unboxed this keyboard. Okay, as you can see, this is a connecting cable, and it is pretty lengthy enough to connect to your laptop or a desktop. Okay, and here you can see MCAT logo present over the connector. Coming to the keyboard, the keys are pretty soft, and it is handy for typing. And this blue color keys will give a stylish look. And as you can see, the shortcut keys whatever they have used is of rubber materials. Okay, and coming to the weight of this keyboard, it is very light in weight. However, the quality of plastic whatever they have used in making this keyboard is up to the mark. Okay, it's not that great plastic quality, I can say. It's an average quality plastic. And coming to the competitive brands like HP or Microsoft, this keyboard comes at a very lesser price of around 370 rupees. So I still feel for 370 rupees it's worthy to go for this. Or if you are okay to spend a little extra, then you can consider buying Amazon or Microsoft keyboard. However, I have added the links of this product in the description. You may take a look later. And one more thing what I wanted to say is like it's easily breakable. If it gets fallen from a certain height, then it's easily breakable because of the average quality plastic. And spill resistance feature is one of the important factors. It has got two supporting hinges at the back side, so that it will give a more comfortable typing feel. You can make use of this. That's all, friends. This is a complete review of MCAT keyboard. I hope you guys have got useful information from this video. And if you like this video, please hit a like button and subscribe to our channel Fields Droid. Thank you and have a good day.